Still copying data between apps? Still doing repetitive work manually? What if one tool could automate almost anything for you without writing code? Welcome to Flowmint Labs. N8N is a powerful workflow automation tool that connects your apps, APIs, and AI tools together. Think of it as a visual automation builder, where you create workflows by dragging and connecting blocks instead of coding. You decide what happens, when it happens, and how it happens. In N8N, everything works as nodes. Each node does one job, like receiving data, calling an API, sending an email, or talking to AI. You simply connect nodes together to create a workflow. Data flows from one step to the next, automatically. No complex programming, just logic. With N8N, you can automate almost anything. AI agents using ChatGPT, email and customer support automation, website scraping and data analysis, CRM and lead generation, social media posting, business workflows, and internal tools. If an app has an API, N8N can automate it. Unlike other automation tools, N8N is open source, self-hostable, developer-friendly, and extremely flexible. You own your workflows and your data. That's why developers, startups, and automation experts love it. N8N is perfect for beginners learning automation, developers building AI workflows, freelancers creating automation for clients, businesses replacing manual work. If you want control and scalability, N8N is for you. This is just the beginning. On Flowmint Labs, we build real-world AI automations using N8N, step by step. Subscribe and start automating smarter.